Now let's apply your new knowledge. I will show you some examples of real websites and comment on them. Join me and notice something interesting you like in these websites, or something ugly and bad what you don't like. Okay, let's start with this example. It's sketch.com, a design tool. What I like in this landing page. First thing is this line here. You see this line? As I told previously, the first component is the most important because it's the first thing they see. If they don't like this, people don't scroll down and learn about your tool. Okay. And this line here welcomes you. It offers you to scroll down. Okay. You want to scroll down to see where the line ends, and it points to an icon. Okay. So by placing this line here, the designers made you scroll down. Okay. That's very tricky and nice. We will add it to Unicorn platform too. This is a nice feature to have. The second example, it's a note-taking app. I like the headline here, the copy. You see, it has a lot of emotions inside it. All of us love somebody, right? And if you see this word, you start memorizing something good, something you love. This headline is perfect. They don't even need a subtitle here. You see? Empty. Because the headline is enough. And what I don't like in this landing page, it's the call to action. It's not attractive. It's not juicy. It's white color and outline. It's hard to notice. You don't want to point and click here. You can miss it. You have to look for it to click. I don't like this. The screenshot is the same thing as we have in our landing page. Here it demonstrates the tool. You can get familiar with it without even signing up. Nice thing to have. The next example, here they don't have a screenshot or illustration, no graphics at all. Instead, they put some nice background animation like we are floating in space. Very nice. I like their copy. They definitely know the audience. They know what language to talk to them. I like the call to action. It's bright. Notice the hover effect. And I like this little jumping button. It offers you to scroll down. And when you click, you have this neat animation. Very cool. The next example, Letter.so. It's the client of Unicorn platform. And what I like here, it has a classic template, copy, call to action graphics, just like we have here. What I like in this page is the video. It's perfect. Let's see how it's demonstrative, how it's fast, how it's engaging. You can learn everything about this tool just by watching one single video. You don't need to sign up or create an account. You have a full understanding already. So yes, video is a great way to demonstrate your product, especially if you're selling a software product. Now let's see some bad examples. This is landing page of Things, the to-do app I love and actually using, but I don't like their landing page. Try to spend a second and think why. You notice that they don't have a call to action. I don't have the download now or sign up or create an account button. What do I do? Should I just learn about this tool? Is it even accessible? I don't know. How do I download it? Oh, here it is. Okay. The call to action button must be always accessible and must be placed at the very top, either on the first component or at the navigation bar. The second example, 1Password. It's the most popular password management tool, but their landing page, it's too noisy. Do you see the call to action button? I see 5 of them. Get started, okay, new item, try, let's talk. My head is overblown. As I said, you must only have one button to click. The next example I found on Product Hunt. It's a tool for making copy with AI. It helps you to write articles or blog posts, and they have this call to action, start making money. That's just stupid. The tool generates content, not money. It's not a printing machine. This copy is misleading people. You won't make any money if you click this button. You will get frustrated. Don't lie to your users. Don't mess them up. Don't confuse them. Be straight and honest. Only this way you will build strong relationship. You will build trust. This was the last example I wanted you to show. Let's go back to our page and polish it even more. I plan to add payment button, create a blog page, and add some more cool things.